Hi, I'm Dennis Hansen. This is my Triumph Speed 4. So today I'm going to test the wires that I hard soldered between the stator, rectifier, regulator, and everything looks good. I think it should work, but of course I won't know till I try. So I put the tank back on, check the fuel lines, make sure nothing's leaking. I only put a couple gallons of gas in there. And I'm just going to fire it up here on the paddock stand and do a little static test, see how it goes. Alright, let's see how she goes. Alright, she started right up. It's a good sign. So, next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to test the output of my charging system, see if I'm kind of within specs. Okay, so I'm showing 14 volts. I'm going to rev it a little bit, see if it goes and brings up. Okay, so I'm at like 1500 revs, 14 volts. Says my charging system is good. Bike appears to be running great. Real happy with it. I think that fixed it. So I'll have to kind of see about that. Alright, I did want to check out to make sure regulator, rectifier's not getting too hot. Seems like it's fine. These wires feel fine. I don't see any problems. So the bike's fixed. Couldn't be happier. I'm glad I didn't have to buy, a new stator, a new rectifier, regulator, and pretty simple fix for me. Probably the only thing I need to do is maybe buy another battery and let that go for a little bit. It checks out okay. Not great. But anyways, it just goes to show what you can do. If you're having that little problem, your connector's a little burnt up, or you feel like something's not quite right with your charging system, you might want to try that first and get a little test or two. But I hope that helps somebody out, and maybe it will. So, thanks for watching.